Good morning, everybody. It's almost 8 o'clock in the morning, and me and Sydney are getting ready to go on a walk with Daddy and Coda, but we gotta catch up to them because they're ahead of us. So we gotta make it quick. And it's a beautiful day. It's a day off, and it's gorgeous. So I'm very excited about that. We're almost there, Sydney. We're almost there. We can make it. We can make it. Fast feet. Fast feet. He ran into the trash can.
Hey.
Oh. Sorry. Say hello.
What are you doing?
Say hello. Calm down. They would have decided to join you.
Oh, good.
Yeah, boy. Say,
Settle down.
Coda. Good girl. Good boys. Ooh. Sound like a shotgun.
What do you sound like? Ah. What?
So pretty. Ooh, let's get over. Sun is behind my head. It's a bright day. Where's Coda? There he is. Oh, almost caught up again. Today, I might do my science experiment. The one with the 2-liter. We caught up. She was pitching a fit to go again. So I was like, fine, we'll go again.
Okay.
So we did.
I got a different dog this time.
Yeah. Different dog with Sydney. Sydney's special.
Yeah, super dog.
Just no barking this time, Kevin. So my 2-liter bottle, I'll do experiments later, maybe. See if I feel like it. It's snack time. I'm hungry for snacking. So I've been snacking. I had the rest of my eggplant hummus. I finished it. Now, in pot chips. I'm mad at this company. It made pop chips, which is Lay's, because these deadgum things are addictive. Okay, stop eating them. This is so good because they're so light and like all round and crunchy and airy. It's too good. Like, I'd eat a whole bag if I could. I could. Me and Carrie are about to go rake the yard, I think, because it's so pretty outside. And then, I don't know what else. I was going to do that science project still. Maybe. I'm really annoying on TV. Anyway, after that, I think we're going to Walmart. Who knows? Here's all bouncy. Anywho, I'm gonna eat some more of my chips. Yeah. I also don't like the people who made G butter because that stuff's addictive too. I was gonna try to make the little cookie. I've already had some of it, but I was gonna do just a little bit more and make the cookie. I'm curious how it tastes. So what I've been watching is you take more than this, but I'm just using this because I don't want to use. I'm almost empty, believe it or not. And you put it in the cap, like so. It's like cookie batter. That little bit. I made a tiny cookie. And then it's supposed to be 30 seconds for a full serving, which is 2 tablespoons. This is like a teaspoon, so I'm gonna do like probably 15 seconds and see what happens. So I'm gonna go do that. Well, it smells like a cookie. Spread out like a cookie. It's hot. my gosh, that is so good. That is really good. Oh my goodness. That was the best sugar cookie I've ever had. Okay, I'm gonna start putting aside money every paycheck, just to get me some G butter each week or so. I'm addicted. This stuff is, in case you forgot what it looked like, it's that, and it's so freaking good. Now we are outside, getting ready to break, I think. How lovely. Oh, my hair. I slept in my makeup. That's why it looks like this. I thought she was out here. Maybe not. I don't know. I'll have to find her. Look at sunshine. Sunshine. I love sunshine and sunny days. That's why we want to move to the sunshine state, which is Florida. Ah, my eyes. Okay. It's gonna be great. I'm gonna live there. I found her. She went on a walk without me. There you are. Well, I didn't know you were going on a walk. See, she went without me.
Just one little tiny walk.
That's what she does. She likes to go without me.
You went without me 4 times this morning.
No, you were asleep. I was awake.
They had to go to the bathroom. That's all. I just put them on their harness.
They went out back already. She lies.
He was gonna go out.
Oh well, it's all good. I know the truth. What's this?
Hey Dinah, what you doing? Are we rocking in the swing? Huh? Where's Sarah? She's looking. Who is it, Sarah? Who is it? It's Sarah!
Howdy. Oh.
In her holy pants.
They're very holy. I need to get some. So this is one of our favorite things to do, is take little walks around our neighborhood. And just pretty much anywhere. Actually, one of my favorite places to go is where me and Mama tried to go the other day, which was, excuse me, Pinnacle. They have like all these different little paths you can take. They have a visitor center area. There's one little area, it's really cute. It's like a little swamp. Yeah. It's like a little swamp area. You can see like.
What about that little trail that we like to walk?
Actually, that one was not closed off.
Oh, why didn't y'all walk it?
Because we were planning on something else. That'd be too long anyway. Yeah, we could have gone there, but we decided not to. And that's what you said you wanted to do one day anyway.
Yeah.
So I was being thoughtful and figured Carrie would want to go there anyway. So walking is fun. Today's like been full of walking. But we are raking, cleaning up the yard.
do those. And make sure I'm up in the morning.
Yard work on my day off. Good times. Alright. Hey, Midnight. Hi. Did we do a good job? Huh? We did. That's good. It looks so much better over here. See, we got all this, like, what is it? All this raked up. And now we can see these steps. We got a lot of, like, weeding to do, but so we got all these steps. And it's our backyard. And we have these other steps right there, which we don't really know what to do with them. They're for dances. There's a cat. Ah! It says to say it's a Sasquatch.
Watch me get a boyfriend like I'm looking like this.
Yeah. Boy, that'd be some special guy.
Sarah. It's true though. I look pretty rank.
Anywho, so we did a good job.
Daddy did too. He
Yep.
helped us.
All three of us. We did great. That was so much fun working in the yard. That's what, like, that's stuff that we like to do.
I love
in the
working in the yard. I love having time to do that.
Mm-hmm. Drink. Now we're on our way to go get some Burger King food.
As a reward for working on my bangs. Look at this. I have no bangs. Have you ever seen me without bangs?
I don't know. Yeah, I have.
This looks terrible.
Mine are kind of still okay. Still need to take a shower because I feel all dirty now.
You are dirty.
Uh-huh. I got the song "It's Fun to Be Free" stuck in my head, which is okay because I like that song. If anyone knows what that is, then you're a Disney fan. Okay. Well, yeah, that's what we're doing now. Oh. And then we gotta go out again after we get home and
What cat
eat
is that? That's
and
not
go out.
Kitty, is it?
I don't know.
No, that's midnight.
Midnight?
Would you get out of the road?
Gosh.
Hey, stop being a stalker.
Mm,
Midnight.
Turd. Then what? Oh, I know. Later tonight, I'm gonna try to do my 2-liter experiment.
You said you were going to do that yesterday.
Yesterday I said I was moving today,
Oh.
which I
that's
am
right.
tonight. Oh gosh. I forgot to film after getting our food and everything.
You could have filmed us in there getting food.
Well, it needs to charge anyway. My phone has not been to 100 today.
Oh.
Anyway, we just got dog food and cat food. And then we're getting ready to head home again.
Yes.
Because we went to get food.
Pooh, I
Lemonade.
always wanted to go check on them. Never mind.
Huh?
David's Prado.
Oh, why didn't you?
I don't know. I just didn't.
Well, why can't we?
I don't think they've moved yet. I've driven by there before.
Hello everybody, here it's me. I mean, you've been watching me all day, but here's the science project I'm going to show you. I was going to do something else, but I didn't have the materials for it, so I picked something else. Okay, this one's super easy. All you need is 2 bottles. These are 16-ounce bottles. Water, food coloring, and duct tape, because we're going to make a tornado in a bottle right now. Alright, so first thing you got to do is fill one of these bottles up 2/3 of the way full. Got it. 2/3 of the way full. See? Now, you take this bottle and you line the top like this. And then you tape it. So, let me get my tape. Got my tape. It's Gorilla Tape, so hopefully it'll work. Should. Okay. I forgot the food coloring.
When you trusted Jesus Christ as your Savior, you gained many assets. Life has never been the same since you trusted Him as your Savior. And one of the most powerful ones, when I think about all the promises He's made, when He said, I will never leave you nor forsake you. Never means, no matter what
All
happens,
of them.
Both sounds
I will
like
never,
Yep.
at any time,
Yep.
under any condition, for any reason,
There,
I will
tuck it
never
out.
leave you
Feel
nor
like I'm missing
forsake you.
somebody. There we go.
God is with us, living within us when we trust the Lord Jesus Christ as our personal Savior. And when I think
This is what happens to your dogs when it's nap time. They follow her. Oh, Kevin. That's something. Oh. Your public is awaiting you. Oh dear. He's in here. There. I just took a shower. Yep. And twinsies. Gotta be everywhere together. Oh, it's a kitty in a laundry basket. Hey, Rainy. Well, you want to get washed? Rainy. Hi. What you doing in there? Huh? What
Wanna
you
get
doing?
out? Get out? I gotta put those clothes up.
Bye, Rainy. I forgot to get Carrie to say, don't forget the key. So I'll just say it myself. So good night, everybody. Don't forget the key.